Our lesson for today is the sound th. Th. Let's have this one. This one is thin. Thin. This one, thick. Thick. This one, mouth. Mouth. This one, month. Month. This one, earth. Earth. And this one, bath. Bath. What is it? It's thin. It's thin. It's thick. It's thick. It's a mouth. It's a mouth. It's month. It's month. It's an earth. It's an earth. It's a bath. It's a bath. Okay, let's do the sound blending. Bath. And 3. Thing. Tooth. Tooth. Sloth. Sloth. Let's read. 3 sloths are in the tree. 3 sloths are in the tree. Did you get a thin or thick book? Did you get a thin or thick book? Thank you.